wake up, the morning is calling. Sun on the 10, hear the ocean roaring. Barefoot dreams on a brand new day. Leave all the worries, let them drift away. We don't know where the road will go, we don't know what tomorrow knows, but today we're here together, underneath this golden weather. Good morning sunshine, good morning sea, good morning new friends, come and live this dream with me. Coffee on the table.
Ina record kweli, brother brother, niaje buda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Tasha Morgan. Kama unijui, naitwa Tasha Morgan ama brother, and nimekuwa nikifanya vlogs, daily vlogs za kutravel and lifestyle with me, and today is our first day in Diani. Tuko campsite fulani inaitwa Tiwi campsite. This will be our home for the next 3 nights, so this is day 1. Pale hivyo kwenye unaona huko nyuma, hiyo ni timu yetu, wao wanakunywa breakfast. I just want to show you our homes, our maisonette. Jana tulifika late, so I'm sure hamkuweza kuona, but leo since ni mchana, I want to show you, and these are our homes. Hizi ndio mabungalow zetu sasa, hii ndio our kingdom sasa. Hizi ndio tumekuwa tukiita home sweet home. Hapa ndo tutakuwa tukilala for the next 3 days. Yeah, mnacheki Olen suit. Hii ni Olen suit, iko na bathroom, iko na choo. Yes, and the view is to die for. Yani wewe unaamka uko umeenda kwenye bichi, unatoka kulala unaenda kuoga kwenye bichi. This is what we call paradise and hidden gem, and I'm here to show you. Maybe kuna watu wenye hawajui place kama hii ina exist. Okay, you don't have to dig deep in your pocket kukuja kulala kwenye beach, but kama utaki camping, tuko na options ya rooms. Yeah, so kwa saa hii I want to go and take breakfast.
Food going around like nobody has a care. Pack your bags, we're moving. Another story starts. Strangers in the morning, by evening we're connected hearts. We've been with different stories, we came from different ways, but something in this moment made us forget our yesterday.
Oh my God, unajua wase wako karibu kutoka na sijamaliza kujitayarisha kwa sababu tunafanya activity. Leo ni activity 1, tunaenda Wasini, tutakuwa tutakuwa huko kwa ma ocean huko Ndakas, unaelewa? Sasa kabla wase waingie kwa trucks, unaona watu hawajakuja, kabla wase waingie teke watu keep time, hata kama inamaanisha ujitayarishe. Okay, hata kama inamaanisha ujitayarishe kwa track. A content lazima. Watu wameanza kuingia. Ndio sasa.
We're not just passing through, we're making memories to hold. We came astray, but we made a family, brothers and sisters, underneath the summer sky, laughing together, living wild and free, one beneath our feet. Nobody is a stranger when everybody brings the beat. Left, right, moving forward, laughing all the way. No one knows the ending, we're just living out today. Maybe it's the sunshine, maybe it's the sea, maybe it's the people who were strangers yesterday. And every mile we travel, we get a little closer. Every laugh we share turns a stranger to a brother. Every road we're taking has another story waiting. So turn the music louder, there's no time for hesitating. We came as strangers, but we're leaving as family. Lovers and sisters, underneath the summer sky. Laughing together, living wild and free. One little journey turned into a memory. Oh, let it carry us. Oh, let the good times roll. Oh, we're alive tonight, we're never letting go. We can't live everybody, but we're leaving us family. Oh, feel the sunshine from the ocean. Keep it moving, everybody, keep it going. Look at the water, look at the blue. A whole new world waiting for me and you. Under the surface, another life begins. Colors in the water and 1,000 little fins. Look at them swimming, look at them go. We're discovering a world that we never used to know. From the shore to the deep blue, everywhere we turn, there's another little wonder, there's another thing to learn. Can you feel it? Feel the water, feel the sunshine, feel the freedom, feel alive. Can you feel it? Hear the laughter, hear the ocean, hear our voice. Hear the music go. Feel the wind tonight. Blue beyond the blue, the sun is shining bright. The boat is getting ready, get a body longboard. Leave the world behind us, we don't need it anymore. Today we're going farther than we've ever been before. There's a whole world waiting on the other side of the shore. Wind on my face, sun on my skin. Everybody laugh and let the journey begin. Hold on to the railing, feel the ocean move. Every wave beneath us got us dancing to the groove. Nobody's watching time, nobody's looking back. We got the whole horizon and we're right on the track. Strangers yesterday, but look at us today. Brothers and sisters on an ocean getaway. And when the waves rise, we rise with them. When the boat flies, we fly again. No destination could ever be enough. We're chasing something bigger. We're chasing this feeling of love. We're chasing the horizon. We're riding with the tide. The ocean underneath us and our people by our side. We're living for the moment. We're feeling so alive. We're chasing down the dolphins as they dance beside the tide. Oh, let the ocean take us higher. We keep moving like a fire. We don't know where we'll go. All we know is we're alive and we're chasing the horizon.
Utapata mzee wrong, utapata lunch wrong, sawa. Kwa lazima kumbuke jina ya boti yako, sawa. Boss 3. Kapteni wetu anaitwa Mohab, Tuendesha huko salama salmin kwa uwezo wa Mwenyezi Mungu. Vile vile pia nipigia picha wa chini ya maji, tuko na Justin kwa Aland na kwa maji pia tuko na Moha, niko na hiyo GoPro hapo, tunachukua pictures sawa. Vile naitwa Jembe ni bwana Mzito Shakimu, vile vile na boss Justin, tumekuwa nao toka sawa. Karibuni sana sana. Sasa tunaanza safari yetu kule kunaitwa Shimoni, ambapo Shimoni ni jina ya Kiswahili ambayo inamaanisha mashimo. Zamani kwenye karne ya 18 hadi ya 19 watumwa walikuwa wanahifadhiwa hapo, slaves walikuwa wanahifadhiwa hapo kwa mashimo, tena wanapelekwa Zanzibar kwa hiyo market zaidi. Na baada ya slave trade kuisha, Shimoni ilibakia kama kijiji cha uvuvi na kijiji cha historia. Kwa hiyo baadaye kama mtakuwa na time na pengine mnahitaji kuona hizo clips, siku huko tulikoacha sawa. Na hiyo island mbele yetu hiyo inaitwa Wasini. Sasa Wasini Island inapima urefu wa kilomita 7, upana kilomita 4. Iko na vijiji viwili, kuna kijiji hapo hicho kinaitwa Mkwiro, na huko nyuma kule kunaitwa Wasini Village au Kumba Village. Iko na idadi 7,000 watu wanaishi kwa island. Kwa 90% ni Waislamu na pia wengi wanategemea uvuvi. 90% pia ni kwa uvuvi, na 10% ni utalii. Kwa tegemea kama kwa ndio type kama sasa.
Look at that water rolling like a mountain, blue waves rising and falling all around us. Everybody screaming, everybody laughing. The boat hits the water and the whole crew starts dancing. Salt in the air, sun in our eyes, nothing but the ocean stretching into the sky. We came for adventure, we came for the view, but nobody imagined the feeling would be this true. So turn the music louder, let the rhythm move, let the waves remind us there's nothing left to prove. We're young in this moment, we're free in this place, with the wind behind us and the sunlight on our face. We're chasing the horizon, we're riding with the tide, the ocean underneath us and the people by our side. We're living for the moment, we're feeling so alive. We're chasing down the dolphins as they dance beside the tide. Oh, let the ocean take us higher. Oh, we keep moving like a fire. Oh, we don't know where we'll go, all we know is we're alive and we're chasing the horizon. Oh, ocean. Oh, take us higher. Oh, ride the waves. Oh, don't stop. Wait, did you see that? Something moving out there in the blue. Everybody looking, everybody searching. Was that a dolphin? Maybe there's another, maybe there's a few. Keep the boat moving, fall that way. There's something beautiful out there waiting to be seen. We're looking for the magic, we're looking for the wild, we're looking for a moment that we'll remember for life. Where are they? They're out in the blue. Where are they? We're looking for you. Keep moving, keep searching. feel that? Yes. Are you alive? Yes. Then let me hear you. Hey, we don't need a reason, we don't need a plan. We just need this moment and the people where we stand. The ocean keeps on moving, the dolphins keep on running. Everybody on the boat feels like the whole world is coming closer, close. The wild side of life, higher. We're touching the sky, no phones, no worries, no stress, no fear. Just wave, just laughter, just friends right here.
Kidogo music kidogo, maana sasa tutashuka sote hapo, tutaenda kwa mchanga, tutatulia kidogo, tutachukua moja moja ili tukija kwenye kwenye snorkeling na kuona samaki ndio moja tutapiga picha. Na kwenye moto bakia pale ndugu, tukae sehemu moja, sawa? Sawa. Tuseme sawa sawa kajiwe rais wetu. Tuone samaki arudi.
Who's going fam? Not me! Come on! You said you were brave. I am brave. That's so. Standing on the boat, looking at the blue. Everybody's ready, but nobody wants to move. Come on, girl, jump! No, no, not me. I can't see the bottom. It's deeper than it looks to me. Holding on the railing, looking at the sea. One step forward, then she runs back quickly. Everybody laughing, everybody screaming. We came for adventure, now everybody's freezing. 1, 2, wait! 1, 2, wait! Free! Jump, jump, jump into the water. Don't think twice. Come on, let's go. It's cold. Oh my God, it's freezing. But we're laughing and we're letting go. Just jump, jump into the water. Feel the waves and let your body float. We were scared, now we're screaming.
Tumeshafika Wasini Island. Tumeanza na dolphin. Tumeona dolphin zimetupatia good action, zimetupatia action and then notice kitu, hii place iko white, utaona penye inakaa iko white na ni kusafi, hakuna uchafu, alafu hakujajaa sana. So hapa hivi ndio tunafanya kusnoko. Tutakuwa tuna snoko, alafu watu wenye wanataka kufanya underwater photography, videos, hapa sasa vitu tunafanya. After like 1 hour tutakuwa we are done. Sasa tuende next stop which itakuwa lunch. Basically leo ni kama tutashinda tu kwa ocean. So next itakuwa lunch. Excuse me. Lunch. Hebu tuende hivi. Lunch itakuwa story na ma seafood. Anyway, sijui tukifika huko tutaona. Haya. Kama wewe hujazoea kuenda kwa ocean, iko na sisi kingine deadly back. Niliwaonesha ile dawa yenye tulikunywa iliwork. Hakuna kitu nimesikia. Na kwanga na seasick ama motion sickness ama car sickness, whatever sickness na kwanga nayo, but leo sijasikia kitu. Niko tu sawa. So yeah. So far so good. Imekuwa mwecheche, imekuwa darling, imekuwa nice. So yeah. Tuendelee kujibamba. Mimi sijui kuswim. Tunakuja kwanza kutake photos. Watu wenye wanajua kuswim wameenda kusnoko. So yeah. Yes, my brother. chill sasa.
Kuna simu yake.
Tumemaliza kuogelea, tumekuwa kama samaki manze, tumechoka sisi wote na ni njaa inatuua. Yaani tulikuwa tumeambiwa asubuhi tukikuja be ready venye day itakuwa, and imekuwa refu but at least tumeona dolphin, tumefanya snorkeling, tumesnorkel mpaka tukachoka. Now it's time to eat. We are waiting for them to serve.
Bravo!
Acha nikule alafu ni reboot, ni recharge, nipate energy.
Dolar to jest 120.
It's like sweet.
It's actually sweet.
Kona kaskari.
Natoa tu hivi sawa. Hii mnatoa.
Nakwambia leo siku tent zetu tuziache wazi. Tunaweza pata wageni.
Hapo kwa jirani hapo. Hiyo imeisha sasa.
Unaona venye wanakula crabs?
Kwa sawa.
Tunaweza pata wageni. Ukisikia zipi kifanya vizuri.
Kwanza crabs hiyo.
Usimfukuze.
Hiyo crabs hiyo. Jirani atasonga, tent iwe wazi tu.
Nasema mgonge moja.
Sasa tumwachie wakule, sisi tuta baadaye.
Basi umekosa hiyo pweza. Ungepata hiyo pweza, octopus.
Tuko na nguvu zetu na shwari.
Hiyo ni wazito. Unaona mada venye anajibamba prawns huyo.
Anaelewa maneno.
Tulia tu. Kiona taenda kwa hiyo jirani kwa tent iko nani. Asianze kusumbua watu. Mwambie jitie prawns tu. But jioni
chapondo hiyo. Dawa yake.
Asisumbue Shakimu.
Aja wewe.
Mwambie Shakimu asimsumbue.
Nahitaji.
The sun is getting low, the water's turning gold. The day is slowly leaving, but nobody wants to go. We came out for adventure, we found more than we knew. A little bit of ocean and a whole new point of view. The boat is heading home now, the waves are moving slow. Wind drying all our faces as the evening starts to glow. Nobody's saying much now, we're tired from the day, but every little smile says we do it all again. We chase the waves, we chase the blue, we chase the dolphins and dreams came true. We laughed so hard, we lost our voice, and somehow being tired feels like the perfect choice. We don't need another place, we don't need another plan. Just look around this boat, look at everybody's face. We came as strangers, but somewhere on the way we became a little family. We're back on the shore, everybody's standing, but nobody can walk anymore.
Who's carrying my bag? Not me. My legs are finished.
Slow steps on the sand, everybody moving slow. Still talking about the dolphins, still talking about the show. One friend is laughing, another's falling behind. Everybody's exhausted, but nobody seems to mind.
That's our bodies.
You have come with nothing.
That's our bodies.
Nothing but
Your mind, your eyes.
We are here to demand.
We are here.
Hello.
When you're coming up with this, it means you have explored a lot. Nimekula samaki. Ndaenda huko nje. Naona nini? Wewe hujafurahia. And you guys?
Tired because we gave it all. We danced with the ocean. We answered the call. We're tired because we laughed. Tired because we ran.
Nilikuwa nasema nimechoka kama umbo ama dolphin. But mbona dolphins mob? Nakwambia kuna mahali imefika tumeka gadgets chini, we just enjoy the moments. Ukipata chance ya kutravel mzai, we travel bana, travel. Na nilikwambia with Mukami Travel, you don't have to dig your pockets mpaka ipasuke, okay? So basically we are done with day one. Ni kwenda kushawa, watu ende bonfire, wakule. Nilikuwa nasema twende out, nightlife day one, but watu venye wamechoka, wametap out. So tumeagree, tutakuwa na bonfire na games, tucheze games. Alafu kesho, because kesho itakuwa easy day, kesho tutaenda out usiku. So for now, that's it from me today. Bye bye. Kunoga taku.
Food, good lives. Now the fire's burning bright. Stories turning into memories underneath the stars tonight. We came here as strangers.